और वॉइस तो रखेंगे ही रखेंगे। यस ज्योति।
Hello everyone, my name is Jyoti Narwal and I am the student of Ramban online interview classes. Today I am telling about a short story. Once there was a man. His name was Androcles, and he was very poor, and he had to work hard every day. And he had a master who was very cruel, and he did not give enough food to him. So he remained hungry many times. So he was unhappy, and in the last he ran away in the forest, and he saw a cave. So he went to inside the cave and hid himself in the cave. In the evening, he saw a lion who was coming in the cave. So he trembled by the lion. So he hid. But when he saw that the lion was gleaming with a great pain, he came to the lion, and he saw that, and the Androcles came. The lion raised his right paw, and the Androcles it saw that there was a big thorn in the paw of lion. So the Androcles was took pity on the lion, and first of all he removed the big thorn, the big thorn, and cleaned the wood and cleaned the wood. That's it.
ओके ठीक है, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की आपने, शाबाश। ऐसी कोशिश करो बस। वंश।
One day there was a man
कैमरा चलो करो।
named Androcles.
हाँ।
He was working in a company. His master was cruel, and he didn't give enough food to eat
हाँ।
and money. One day he ran into the forest.
हाँ, घबराओ मत, बिल्कुल आराम से, मन को
Into
शांत
the
रखो एकदम।
forest.
हाँ।
In evening, he saw lion was coming into the cave.
केव कहाँ से आ गई बेटा? जंगल में चला गया वो। He went to a forest and hid himself in a cave. अब आएगी केव की बात, आगे बोलो।
Okay, sir.
हाँ, मिस कर दिया ना आपने एक पॉइंट, कोई बात नहीं, आगे बोलो।
Okay, sir.
हाँ।
The lion raised his right palm, and Androcles saw that a thorn
That there was a thorn stuck in its paw.
हाँ,
सेंटेंस बना के बोलने की कोशिश करो।
He removed the thorn and cleaned the wound.
wound नहीं, wound। हाँ।
That's it, sir.
ओके, थोड़ा और फोकस करो आप, है ना।
Okay,
छोटा
sir.
सा ही तो पीस था अपना, थोड़ी सी और कोशिश करोगे आप। यस निशा।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Nisha. I am a student of Raman online interactive classes from batch 11. Today I am going to tell you about short story.
हाँ।
Once there was a poor man.
हाँ।
His name was Androcles.
हाँ, Androcles, कोई बात नहीं, बोल।
He was very poor, but he was kind and young man.
शाबाश।
He used to work for a man. So he had to work hard every day. But his master was very cruel, so he would not give him enough food. So he get hungry.
He remained hungry.
He made hungry.
He remained. घबराओ मत आप, रह जाता था। He remained hungry. इतना क्या सोच रहे हो?
Sorry, sir. He remained hungry. One day he ran away to the jungle from disturb his master.
From
disturbed,
मतलब
परेशान होकर,
आफ्टर डिस्टर्बिंग,
after
ज्यादा टिपिकल मत कर किया करो, अभी है ना बहुत, इससे बोलो आप।
okay sir,
हम्म,
and he hid himself in a cave.
हाँ
Yes.
हाँ
At the evening, he saw that a lion was coming
हाँ
into the cave.
हाँ
He was scared by the showing lion.
बाइस, he was feared seeing the lion, कोई बात नहीं, आगे बोलो। हाँ
Okay, seeing the lion, but he saw that the lion was very weeping, because he had a much pain.
हाँ
The lion showed him our right leg,
अवर क्यों, हिज, इट्स राइट लेग। हाँ
right leg. Uh, uh, the young man saw that the lion's legs had a big thorn stalk.
हाँ
The man removed the thorn and cleaned the wound.
wound,
And he tied a piece of cloth for stop bleeding.
for stopping the blood।
Okay, for
stop.
stopping the blood.
हाँ
That
ठीक है, चलो कोशिश बहुत अच्छी, और ध्यान रखो और इम्प्रूव करो अपने आप को। यस मनीषा, कौन सी मनीषा है ये? मनीषा भूपेश।
Yes, sir.
हाँ
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Manisha, and I am the student of Raman English Online Interactive Classes. Today, I am going to tell you a short story about a young man.
फ्लोला
Once upon a
थोड़ा सा।
time,
हाँ हाँ
yes, sir. Once upon a time, there was a very poor young man named Androcles,
हाँ
and it has a master.
इट हैड, पास में चले गए ना।
He had a master.
हाँ
His master was very cruel,
हाँ
and he made him work hard every day,
हाँ
and didn't give even enough food to eat him.
हाँ
And one day he was very unhappy with his master,
Hmm.
and one day he ran into the forest
हाँ
and hid himself into a cave
हम्म,
in a cave.
हाँ
After some time, he saw a lion coming into the cave,
हम्म,
and he also saw that the lion was groaning because of great pain,
हम्म,
because in its paw there was a big thorn
हम्म।
stuck into its
in
right paw.
in its right paw। हाँ
in its right paw,
हाँ
and it was limping also.
हम्म,
And the Androcles was very kind, so he couldn't stop himself, and he went to the lion and removed the thorn and cleaned the wound and tied it with a piece of cloth. That's it.
ओके ठीक है, बस कोशिश करते रहो, शाबाश। श्री।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Ritika. Today I'm going to telling you about a short story of a young man. Once upon a time, there lived a poor young man named Androcles. He was very poor, so he do hard work.
डू क्यों आएगा? डिड हार्ड
So
वर्क।
he did hard work, and he did work under the under a man who was very cruel.
Cruel.
Who was very cruel. He enough.
है
Sir, यहाँ तक ही क्या बोलूं?
यहाँ even.
Even his master didn't give him
Give क्यों आएगा? Negative है. Give आएगा. हाँ.
give him enough food to eat.
हाँ.
So one day he ran away into a jungle and he hid himself in a cave and
Cave.
and in the evening he saw that a lion was coming into the cave.
Cave नहीं बेटा. Cave नहीं. Cave.
Cave. The lion was limping and growing.
Growing नहीं. Groaning.
So the young man saw that there was a big thorn into
नहीं. In its paw.
its palm.
हाँ.
So he
Wanted.
to go near the lion. As soon as he was going near the lion, he thought that lion will be attack on his.
Will
but
be नहीं. Will attack.
will attack on his.
On
but
his
he
नहीं.
was-
On him.
on him, but he was a kind person, so he went near the lion and saw that lion was in a great pain. So he removed the thorn of the lion, removed the thorn and cleaned the blood, and he tied a piece of cloth to stop the bleeding.
Okay. Very good. शाबाश. कोशिश करते रहो बस. मनीषा सैनी.
Yes, sir. Good evening. My name is Nisha. I'm the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes 11. Today I'm telling us about a poor young man, and Androcles was worked for a man as a servant. He was as a servant. His master was very
Cruel man.
So his master was a man. So Androcles was very tired for his victimization. Because of his victimization, he ran away from there in a jungle, and for saving himself, he hid himself in a cave. In evening, he saw that a lion was coming in the cave. He was afraid, but he saw that the lion was limping because of pain. So he thought that I should help.
Help नहीं बेटा. I should help. हाँ.
I should help the lion. But he know that the lion could attack on him. But he went there and he saw that the lion had panic in
आवाज गड़बड़ हो गई तुम्हारी, आवाज बिल्कुल गई तुम्हारी। चलो पूरी हो गई होगी शायद आपकी, गड़बड़ हो गई, चलो कोई बात नहीं है। यस दीपक, हाँ बेटा तेरी आवाज गई अब। यस
Hello, hello everyone. My name is Deepak. Today I am telling a short story of Androclus.
हाँ
Once upon a time, there was a poor young man named Androclus.
हाँ
He he was very poor, so he had to work hard daily.
हम्म
He would work in his master.
अंडर हिज मास्टर, हाँ कोई बात नहीं, बोलो आप बोलो। हाँ
His master was very cruel, so his master did not give him enough food to eat.
शाबाश
So-
शाबाश। हाँ
So one day he ran away to the forest.
हाँ
He saw a cave there,
हाँ
and he hid himself in the cave.
वेरी गुड।
After evening, he saw a lion was coming into the cave.
हाँ
He saw the lion was limping and groaning because of pain. He went near to the lion. After it, the lion raised his swollen paw. He found that a big thorn stuck in its swollen paw.
शाबाश।
He
स्वोलन,
removed-
हाँ बोलो 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 बोलो, घबरा, बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो, बोलो। हाँ।
and cleaned the wound. After it, he tied a big cloth on its paw. That's it.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा, वेरी गुड। हर्षित फास्ट।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Harshit More. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today's my topic is a lion and a man.
हाँ।
Once upon a time, there was a man. His name was Androclus. He had to work hard from morning to evening. His master was very cruel man. He did not give him enough food to eat. The Androclus was not satisfied with him.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश।
One day Androclus ran away in the forest.
हाँ
He saw a cave. He hid himself in the cave. In the evening, he saw a lion was coming into the cave. The lion was coming limpingly and
लिंपिंगली नहीं, लिंपिंग।
limping and also groaning. The Androclus was very kind man. So he couldn't stop himself and went to the lion with tremblingly. The lion raised his right paw. He saw there was a big thorn in the lion's right paw, and the lion's right paw was also
ब्लीडिंग।
bleeding. The Androclus removed the thorn from his right paw and tied a cloth on his right paw. The lion felt happy and went from there. That's it, sir.
लायन चला गया वहां से। ओके ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं। यस बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की आपने, शाबाश। हर्षित सेकंड।
Yes, sir.
हाँ पहले लिखा करो अपना नाम, इतना लेट मत लिखा करो, बोलो।
It's a story about a boy and a lion. One day, long ago, there was a boy. Its name was Androclus.
इट्स नहीं बेटा, हिज नेम वाज।
Okay, sir. His name was Androclus, and he was poor, so he worked hard, and he worked hard under his master. His master was very cruel, and he did not give enough food to him to eat. And one day he went in a forest and he ran in a forest, and in the forest he found that there is a cave.
There was beta past hai.
There was a cave, so he hid himself in it, and in the evening he saw that a lion was coming at the side of cave. So-
Lion was coming into the cave.
So he tried to get out the cave, but he was unable to get out. So he got afraid that the lion will eat me.
Eat him.
Yes, sir. Eat him. But the lion did not eat him, and he was limping because there was a swelling in the lion's right paw. So the Androcles went near the lion, and the lion put his right paw in the Androcles' hand.
Yeah.
The Androcles saw that
There
was a thorn stuck in its paw. So he took out the thorn and cleaned its wound and
wound.
tied a cloth that he could stop the bleeding. That's all.
Okay. और कोशिश करो थोड़ा सा, है ना? कंसंट्रेशन रखो, फोकस किया करो. यामिनी.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Shashishree Sahu. I'm the student of Ramban English Interactive Classes from batch B10. Today, I'm going a short story about a man and a lion. Once upon a time, a poor younger man lived. The man was very poor, so he did work morning to evening.
From morning to evening.
From morning to evening. His master was such a very cruel person.
Cruel.
Cruel person. He did not give in food to eat.
Gave him food.
Gave in food to eat.
अरे इन क्यों लगा रहे हो? थोड़ा सा ध्यान से बोलो ना, थोड़ा सा फोकस करो ना चीज के ऊपर. माइंड में प्रोसेसिंग चलनी चाहिए ना अच्छे से. बोलो.
Okay, sir. The man was not satisfied with his master, and one day he ran away. He ran away the forest.
To a forest.
To a forest. In the forest he saw a cave. He saw a cave. He hid himself. He hid himself into the cave. In the evening, a lion was coming into the cave. He saw the lion was leaping and growing because the lion felt such a big pain. The man thought, I should help the lion. The man went near to the lion, and the man saw a big thorn. Big thorn
in the lion's paw.
Big thorn in the lion's paw. He removed them, and
he removed the thorn.
He removed the thorn and tied a piece of cloth to stop bleeding.
हाँ, और ध्यान दो, फोकस करो आप, तो जितना ध्यान रहेगा उतना सही बोल पाओगे आप। ये तो आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करेगा बेटा, हमारे ऊपर डिपेंड नहीं करेगा। यस रिद्धिमा।
Yes, sir. Once upon a time, there was a poor man. His name was Androcles.
हाँ
He was very poor that he had to work very hard every day.
हाँ
He was under his master. His master was very cruel
हाँ
man that he did not give him that much food.
इनफ फूड। हाँ बोलो बोलो बोलो। हाँ
One day he
रैन बेटा सेकंड फॉर्म। हाँ
ran away to the forest.
हाँ
He hid in the
हिड
cave.
हिड
He hid in the cave.
इन ए केव, ही हिड देयर, ही हिड हिमसेल्फ देयर इन ए। फोकस करो बेटा, थोड़ा सा घबराओ मत। हाँ
Okay, sir. In the evening, he saw a lion was coming into the cave.
हाँ
The lion, he saw that lion was groaning and limping because he had such a great pain into his right paw.
हाँ
He went near the lion.
हाँ
The lion raised his right paw
हाँ
and he saw that a big thorn stuck into its right paw.
हाँ
He removed the thorn and tied a big piece of cloth into his right paw to stop the bleeding that he saw.
बहुत बढ़िया, कोशिश करते रहो बस, घबराया मत करो बिल्कुल भी, है ना। हाँ यस श्रेया।
Yes, sir. Once there was a poor man. His name was Androcles.
हाँ आवाज बढ़ाओ थोड़ी सी, वॉल्यूम बढ़ाओ।
He was very poor.
हाँ
He could work for a man.
हाँ
Could work for a man.
हाँ हाँ बोलो।
His master was very cruel and he did not give him enough food to eat.
हाँ
The Androcles was not happy. One day he went to the forest. And hid him in the cave.
Hid himself in a
and
cave.
hid himself in a cave.
हाँ
The evening he saw a lion was coming into the cave. The lion had so much pain so that the lion was groaning.
हाँ
The lion was
limping। हाँ
limping too. The lion was limping too. So the man went near the lion. The lion raised his paw. So the Androcles saw a big thorn. So he removed the thorn and tied with a big piece of cloth to stop bleeding. That's it, sir.
ओके ठीक है, बस कोशिश करते रहो, घबराओ मत। यस रक्षित।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Akshit Maurya. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from batch 11. Today's our topic is a story, a poor man. Once there was a poor man. His name was Androcles. He had to work for his master. His master was very cruel. And his master did not give enough food to eat. And sir, सहन करना को क्या बोलते हैं?
टॉलरेट।
So Androcles did not tolerate.
Could not tolerate
it. So he ran away to the forest and And in the forest he saw a cave,
हाँ,
and he went inside the cave and hid himself.
हाँ,
In the evening, he saw a lion was coming into the cave.
हम्म,
He scared, but he saw the lion was limping and groaning.
हम्म,
So slowly he went to the lion.
हम्म,
The lion raised its right paw, and Androcles saw the lion's paw was swollen because a big thorn tugged in the lion's swollen paw. So Androcles was a kind man.
सो मत लगाओ यहाँ, सो को हटाओ. हाँ,
Okay, sir. Androcles was a kind man, and he removed the thorn and cleaned the wound,
हाँ,
and he tied a piece of cloth to stop bleeding. Sir, that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की. बस करते रहो, ध्यान रखो. बस फोकस जितना रहेगा आप लोगों का, कंसंट्रेशन रहेगा, उतना अच्छा बोल पाओगे. इच्छा.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Ichha Singh and I am the student of Raman Online Interactive Classes from batch 11. And today I am telling a true story. Once upon a time there was a young man. He was very poor. His name was Androcles.
हाँ,
And he had hard work.
he had to
And he had to hard work.
नहीं, he had to work hard.
Work hard every day.
हाँ,
He had a master man who was very cruel.
हाँ,
And
छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस बना के बोलते जाओ. शाबाश. हाँ,
he did not give enough food to the young man.
हाँ,
So young man was very angry. One day the young man ran away a forest.
to a forest.
One day the young man ran away to a forest.
हाँ,
And he hid himself in a cave.
हाँ,
In the evening, he saw a lion who was coming into the cave.
हाँ,
The lion had a big pan on his paw, by which he was limping and
groaning.
groaning. The young man was very kind man, so he went near the lion, and he saw a big thorn
stuck.
stuck in the lion's paw.
हाँ,
Then he removed that thorn
हाँ,
and he cleaned lion's wound.
हाँ,
Then he tied a clean clothes piece on the lion's paw.
हाँ,
On lion's by which the blood was
stopped.
was stopped.
हाँ,
And lion was very happy and he thanked to the young man. That's it, sir.
ओके, बस कोशिश करते रहो, घबराए मत करो. यस, सुमन.
Yes, sir. Once there was a young man. His name was Androcles. He worked for a man. His master was a cruel man. So he did not give him enough food to eat. He was very sad by her behavior.
At her behavior.
One day he ran away to the forest and hid a cave.
Hid in a cave. Cave नहीं बेटा, cave. हाँ, उच्चारण ठीक करो. हाँ.
Okay, sir. After some time, he saw a lion coming towards that cave. The lion was limping and there
groaning.
There was a swelling in his leg. The lion was in a lot of pain, so he was roaring.
बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश.
Androcles was a very kind person, so he went near the lion. He saw blood coming out of the lion's paw.
शाबाश.
He was raising his leg forward.
इसको पास्ट सिंपल में ले लो आप. He raised his paw. कोई बात नहीं, आगे बोलो. हाँ, उसने अपना पंजा उठाया, ना कि वो उठा रहा था. कोई बात नहीं, बोलो आप. हाँ.
Androcles took her leg towards him and cleaned the blood. A cloth was put on the lion wound. A cloth was put on the lion wound. हाँ, घाव पे लगाया.
क्या लगाया?
कपड़ा.
हाँ, तो बांध दिया ना. Androcles tied a piece of cloth. तुम घबराया मत करो बिल्कुल भी. आगे बोलो.
So that his blood can stop.
Stopped.
That's it.
हाँ, घबराया मत करो तुम, बिल्कुल भी मत घबराया करो. आज घबरा गए तुम. क्यों? जरूरत ही नहीं है अब तो. कोई बात नहीं, आगे से अच्छे से कोशिश करना. संगीता मैडम. हाँ, संगीता मैडम. होता है बेटा शुरू में. संगीता मैडम.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. Today our topic is a story. Once upon a time, a young man whose name was Androcles.
Whose name was?
Androcles.
बिल्कुल सिंपल से सेंटेंस बना के बोलो अभी आप, है ना?
Okay, sir.
हाँ.
His owner was very cruel.
हाँ.
He worked hard from morning to evening.
ही किसके लिए लगा रहे हो आप?
बॉय के लिए.
तो बॉय के लिए तो नाम ही लेना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि इससे पहले वाला सेंटेंस तो मालिक के लिए बोल दिया आपने.
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
The Androcles had worked hard from morning.
Had to work hard.
Had to work hard morning to evening.
From morning to evening. कोई बात नहीं, बोलते आगे बढ़ते जाओ आप. तो बस ध्यान रखो, बस गलती होगा. घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी. आगे बोलो.
He did not give enough food to eat, so he can't tolerate his behavior.
नहीं, ही किसके लिए लगा रहे हो आप? पहले वाले सेंटेंस में आप किसी और के बारे में बात कर रहे हो, तो फिर नाम ही आएगा ना आप तो.
His owner did not give.
अरे नहीं मैडम, वो तो सेंटेंस सही था आपका.
Okay.
जो सेंटेंस मैंने आपको गलत बताया उसमें करेक्शन करो आप. नहीं समझ रहे बात को? आप कैमरा चालू कर सकते हो क्या अपना? अच्छा, आप ये बोलो, आप सेंटेंस को कहाँ पे मैंने ठीक क्या करवाया सेंटेंस, आपको समझो. आप जरा इधर देखो, आप मेरी तरफ. आपने ये बोला कि वो उसको सहन नहीं कर सका.
Yes.
वो कौन?
Androcles.
अब तो वो की जगह एंड्रोक्लेस आ जाएगा. एंड्रोक्लेस कुड नॉट बेयर इट. बिल्कुल मत घबराओ, आप बोलो. हाँ.
Androcles did not tolerate his behavior.
ठीक है. बिल्कुल छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस बनाओ। हाँ
So he ran away the forest.
हाँ, 1 मिनट अब ठीक करना। ran away
to
a forest।
the forest.
हाँ बोलो, आगे बोलो।
He hid himself in a cave.
hid की जगह hid सेकंड फॉर्म आएगी, कोई बात नहीं, आगे बोलो आप, आगे बोलो।
In the evening, he saw the lion was coming in the cave.
हाँ
Sometimes he afraid.
नहीं, he got afraid। हाँ
But he saw the lion was limping and
groaning। हाँ हाँ
So
बोलो।
he did not afraid.
हाँ ठीक है, आप बोलो।
So he saw the lion died far.
नहीं, सो मत लगाओ, कुछ भी मत लगाओ। he went near the lion।
He went near the lion
हाँ।
and saw the lion, a big thorn stuck in the path.
हाँ 1 मिनट, ऐसे मत बोलो इसको। वो उसके पास चला गया, फिर क्या हुआ?
उसने
he saw
there
was
a big thorn.
there ऐसे नहीं बनाओ, या he saw a big thorn stuck
in
the paw of the lion। घबराओ मत, अब घबराओगे तो सारा गड़बड़ कर दोगे आप। आगे बोलो।
He want to help the
wanted
lion.
he wanted
He wanted the help
नहीं, दा क्यों लगा रहे हो? he wanted to help the lion।
to the lion.
हाँ
So the lion looked pretty.
मतलब
उसकी तरफ देखा उसने।
तो प्रीटी क्यों बोल रहे हो? the lion looked at him। आगे बोलो, आगे बोलो।
So he removed the thorn and cleaned the wound.
हाँ बोलो बोलो।
And he
tied
a piece of cloth and stopped the bleeding.
बस, वेरी गुड,
That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया। कोशिश क्या करो, घबराया मत करो मैडम, बिल्कुल भी। घबराने से तो मामला खराब हो जाता है। थैंक यू वेरी मच।